Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Pepecoin. Now we're not going over Pepe, name of the token Pepe, ticker symbol Pepe. This is Pepecoin, a totally different token. Name of the token is Pepecoin, all one word, and that is also the ticker symbol. And this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting Christmas Day, December 25th at 14 hours UTC time. We're going to go over the information on the Pepecoin and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So Pepecoin was created by pioneers and visionaries in 2016. Introduces an entertaining OS-style application ecosystem that seamlessly integrates decentralized finance, games, unique NFT experiences, and cutting-edge memetics. And is coming to Mexc Global. So this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing December 25th, 14 hours UTC time on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search Pepecoin, all one word, and then simply just buy the token. Now this token is on the Ethereum blockchain. According to their Etherscan, right now they have 4,542 holders. Fully diluted market cap is $133,903,189. There's 18 decimal places on this token. Token price is around $1 today. It's actually up 12.22% right now. And max total supply, oh, we already went over max total supply. A little bit over 133.7 million tokens. So their webpage, pepecoin.io, real easy to find. You go over there and it looks like Windows. It looks like Intel or whatever. It's got like this old like DOS Windows 97 type of computer feel to it. It says you can log in with as a guest, or you can log in with your Web3 account, and there's these cool little things here. But yeah, it gives you like an old school computer vibe. Depending on how old you are, you might get an old vibe. And if you're very young, maybe you'll go, what the heck is this? I don't understand what's going on. But they have a Telegram at Pepecoins that has 10,476 members, 440 online. So you could join that if you want to check out the Pepe group chat. They also have a Twitter that I'm going to put in the corner of the screen there as usual. At Pepecoins with an S. Blue verified, checkmark, 2,336 posts. They have a link to their webpage on there, 32,000 Twitter followers. Now, you scroll down and it says, enter the based zone. This is their pinned tweet. You could stake Pepecoin, earn based AI. Now on Pepos with significantly lower gas fees and a third Web3. It's just loading up here for some reason. Why did that just happen? I don't know. Third Web3 Connect, allowing Uniswap, Safe, Trust, Zerion wallets, and more. And then it has a link to their webpage, Pepecoin. So you can do that on their webpage there. Cool staking feature. Now, oh, I see it loaded up this thing here. So their webpage, lots of cool memes, lots of cool Pepe big brain memes there. Whole Pepe family celebrating Christmas. Pretty funny. Let's see how this works here. Okay, so if you click on connect to Web3, you can connect with email, MetaMask wallet, Coinbase, Wallet Connect, Safe Wallet, Trust Wallet, Zerion Wallet. It says Pepecoin, Pepe OS is your operating system for DeFi. Sign into Pepe OS for a full range of features. So you could do that to use the features if you like on their web page. Now, for some reason, their web page didn't load up properly. Let me try it in a different explorer. Sometimes these web pages do not load up in Chrome for whatever reason, but they load up on Edge. And I do not understand why, and it's just certain web pages. But then I can't use my Twitter on Edge, so there we go. There we go. Now, if you log in the normal way on Edge, does it work? It worked on my mobile anyways. I don't know why it doesn't work here. Now, on their webpage here, it says... Why does it keep doing that? Very strange. Very strange. Let's try loading it up 10 more times. See what happens. So, Pepecoin.io is now just blank. Oh, there we go. So, Pepecoin BIOS 2016... a dank memes ally copyright, and it says ultra rare Pepecoin OG. Then you click guest. It says to change accounts from inside the app, click start, then click log off and go to control panel and click user account. So at first I thought, wow, this is a really cool old school webpage. Now it's given me a lot of grief. Now I don't like it so much. So I take that back. I thought it was super cool at first. Now it's just giving me tons of grief, but we'll figure it out here in 1 second. Trying to enter with guest 7,000 times and it's not working. So it says detected dank memes, okay, purging jeets, initializing Poompa. So it's got just all this meme stuff basically pops up when you try to use their webpage, and then it crashes for some reason. So yeah, there you go. I guess the best part of this, the best place to try to get information is off of their Twitter because their webpage is ridiculous. And it says, good morning, take Pepe coins, add a little stake sauce, and they're talking about staking your tokens, and voila, you get based AI. So basically they're saying you can stake the Pepe coin on their webpage, you can earn based AI tokens. It says this UX is quite addictive. By the way, Merry Christmas. And Merry Christmas to everybody. I have not said Merry Christmas in a video yet, and it is tomorrow. So Merry Christmas Eve as of now. And if I do end up posting some videos tomorrow, I'll remember to say Merry Christmas tomorrow. But yeah, that seems to be the big utility is you're going to be able to stake these tokens to get more tokens, the based AI tokens. It says they have collaborations with Prometheus, so they have different partners on here. And if you just scroll through their Twitter, you're going to find tons of new partnerships. It says Pepecoin is backed by Pepe Dime and Pepe Chain Capital. 3 Pepe's Capital, Pepe holders, so you can check those web pages out on their page there. It looks like they are listed on CoinGecko. That looks like a CoinGecko link. You can find them listed on there. They have a Discord group you could join as well. They have a full link tree there. If you scroll all the way down to a tweet from December 17th, all of a sudden a link tree pops up. So they should have had that actually at the beginning of their, at the top of their Twitter and not buried. I don't know why they did that either. A lot of these things need extra work on here. So they do have, looks like Medium articles. They have a Substack, announcement thread, white paper, POUW, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Threads, Discord, Telegram, Block Explorer, Memetic, webpage, a link to Uniswap. So you can get this token off Uniswap prior to the Mexc global listing here. So let's just go over this short article here very quickly describing the project, and then we'll wrap this up here. So it says, Dear OG friends, we're excited to announce Pepecoin Swap Bridge. So this is their other utility here. Our OG holders have been our pillar of strength through thick and thin. Now, I'll just skip down all past the nonsense. So it says, introduce a swap bridge, a leap towards the future. It's a seamlessly transition their coins from the old layer 1 to our new ERC20 token. So this is just migrating the tokens, a bridge basically. So that came out a while ago. And that is their only Medium article, so that's not even that important. That's just something that came out in the past. But their webpage totally stinks. It doesn't work very well at all. Trying to use it over and over again. And it just keeps... It worked fine on my mobile, but it doesn't seem to open very well on web. And even, you click on their white paper, it doesn't work very well. So anyways, what you see is what you get basically with this token. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there. It looks like there's a post here says that they're going to launch their own blockchain in the future too, but as of now they're just boasting about the staking feature. But yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.